We are on Earth, we feel nothing. The universe is expanding. The cosmic objects on the large scale, the galaxies are moving away from each other. What causes this expansion? In which direction our galaxy is moving? Subscribe to the deal of the universe and have the whole cosmos as our backyard. The expansion of the universe is one of the most amazing discoveries of the universe. It is, for the most part, the cornerstone of modern cosmology. It all started when the universe was very young, less than a billionth of a second old. It was inflation, a rapid expansion that gave the bang to the Big Bang and spewed all the matter and energy that we can see and measure. Inflation, because the universe was very small at the time, made the energy density and temperature to be even all over the universe. That's why when we look in the cosmos, in all directions, we see about the same number of galaxies, and temperature is no different. Coming back to Earth, it is 1916. Albert Einstein publishes his theory of general relativity. In his equations, he realizes that the universe cannot be stationary. The space-time within which you find galaxies in a dynamic cosmic dance of interacting gravity cannot be static. Einstein introduces his cosmological constant, which its purpose was to keep the universe stationary. Because at the time, in the early 20th century, no observations or measurements could be done to verify that the universe was stationary or not stationary. In the 1920s, American astronomer Edwin Hubble measures the universe to be expanding. He realizes that other star cities outside our Milky Way, making up the galaxies, they are in fact moving away from each other. They are in fact moving away from our Milky Way. In that measurement, he realized that the universe must be expanding. Einstein's cosmological constant was suspended. The measurement itself was so important that after it was performed, modern cosmology was brought into being. When the universe expands, it is the galaxies, the clusters of celestial bodies, which move away from each other. Our galaxy is also moving, but it is natural to ask, in which direction is our galaxy moving? Well, it turns out it is not the galaxies that are in fact moving, but the space-time within which these galaxies are located. The space in between the galaxies, the empty space, if you like. It is the one, in all direction, it is expanding. The expansion of the universe brought into being a lot of questions. What causes the expansion is the question. Very much of a natural question to ask. Cosmologists coined a name for what causes the universe to expand. Dark energy, they call it. Dark because it is invisible, we cannot see it. Energy because it has an effect, and its effect can be measured. The name dark energy is only a placeholder for what we cannot see. You can call it Monamudi, since nobody quite knows what it is. When we scour the cosmos, we realize that space-time is not only expanding, It is accelerating galaxies in its expansion. Galaxies which are farther away appear to be moving faster than those which are a little closer to our galaxy. Cosmologists today use the Einstein's cosmological constant to account for the acceleration of the universe. Space-time is not only smooth, but space-time is expanding. From Einstein's theory of general relativity, the universe is infinite. The expansion of the universe promotes the infinite universe. Every time there's always a cosmos to observe, nothing beyond, but the universe itself goes beyond. And from measurement in astrophysics, this expansion will go on forever. Anything, if at all, lies beyond our universe. It is outside the reaches of science. But yet, if anything at all exists outside the universe, it is not part of our universe, and it can never ever have an effect in the universe. If the effect could be made from outside, there's no way it would be from outside the universe, because collecting information and interacting with the universe's particles only means you are part of the universe. The universe is everything that can exist. With the expansion of the universe never stopping, 22 billion years into the future, our universe would die. Space-time would stretch everything apart and rip them off. Galaxies will pull apart. The universe will only have isolated stars. The stars will also run out of energy, freezing the whole cosmos. Even the black holes will evaporate. Atoms and everything will have been stretched and torn apart. The universe would be dying because the universe is alive. Deep in conversation you have been. Right now you smash the like button. Subscribe to Journey with the Dealer of the Universe.